you guys, if you all would like to see how I am able to maintain this soft and beautiful perm rise set overnight to get it to look like this the next day, then just keep watching my video. I'm going to show you exactly how I do it, how I refresh it, and even a special little style at the end. So just stay tuned. Hey y'all, what's up? My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. So as you can tell by the intro, I'm going to show y'all how I am going to preserve my perm rise set. This is a day one perm rise set. I just, did it today. Well, I just took it down today. So it's day one. It's been out just about all day. As you can see, it's not extremely perfect anymore. So as you can tell by my last video, y'all, I did a perm rise set. And I thought, since that was my first ever perm rise set tutorial on my channel, it would be very appropriate to post how I preserve my perm rise sets. Now, this is only my second perm rise set I have ever done in my life. And the first one I did was in 2017. So it's literally been years. And then this perm rise set, like I mentioned in my last video, I use a different method, so it came out quite a bit different than my first one did. It came out way better, might I add. But yeah, so I say to say this, like I just said, I'm gonna show y'all how I preserve my hair. All you are gonna need is a ponytail holder, an oil. This is optional, and I'm using a bonnet, but you can use whatever you want. So to get started, I'm just going to put a little bit of my GROVEDA hair serum on my hands. And this hair serum promotes hair growth and thickness and less breakage and frizz, which obviously putting our hair up, we don't want any breakage or any frizz. So yeah, I'm going to take about that. But as you can see, not much at all. I'm going to slowly work my hair up into a ponytail. So I'm just gonna I'm just gonna pull it up slowly into a pineapple. Okay, so as you can see, it's all up. And I'm going to take the ponytail holder and just put my hair through it. I'm going to do it to about right there. Where I stop is optional. If you want to pull your hair all the way through, you can. But this is just how I always do it. And then we're just going to go to sleep with a bonnet on. This is a very stretched out and used one. I'm not using one of my newer tighter ones because I want my hair to be a little, free, if that makes sense. And that's how we're going to go to sleep. So do not sleep in your makeup, y'all. I'm gonna clean my face and take all this makeup off. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. We are on quarantine, so I'm not going anywhere tomorrow. But do my hair so I can stay productive and happy. So I'll see y'all in the morning. Okay, y'all, so it's morning time now. It's the next day. Actually, it's not morning time. It's 6:30. But it's the next day, and this is my hair. Okay, so I just took my ponytail holder out, and I'm just shaking it into place. Shake it, shake it, shake it. So before I go into styling and fixing this look up, normally I would take this GROVEDA hair serum to just put it on my scalp and do a light scalp massage, because as y'all know, this is part of my hair growth challenge, and if you're being consistent with one brand, and GROVEDA is that brand for me. Well, normally I would do that, which I still might do every other day. I don't know. But I was sent this Allurium Beauty hair growth serum, and I was sent it from Allurium Beauty. They reached out to me on Instagram. I have a whole video talking about this already on my channel. I will link it up above and down below. But yes, so I am going to do a review on this on Instagram. So I am just going to use it while refreshing my hair and whatnot on my scalp, just to see, you know, how it works for me. Yeah, I'm going to take a little tiny bit, and I'm just going to like drip it on my scalp here and there. And I'm just going to do a slight scalp massage before I fix my hair up. And this scalp massage will also help with volume. Okay, I think I got it enough. As you can see, doing that scalp massage helps some of the curls fall, but now I'm going to style this. So to actually maneuver my hands around my hair, I will still be using this GROVEDA hair serum. I just, you know, I'm using the Allurium Beauty one on my scalp just for testing purposes. But this, I'm actually going to maneuver my curls around. I'm just taking any frizzy parts that I see, and I'm just kind of twirling my hands, smoothing it out and whatnot. So, something I want to do is I just want to pull this section back. I just feel like that'll be cuter. Put a little bit of gel on it. And I'm just going to... So after I get that side pinned up, as you saw, I am going to lay my edges. I'm not going to do nothing super fancy or anything. Just do it how I normally do it, very quick and easy. And unlike yesterday, day one hair, I'm actually going to lay the baby hairs on the other side, as you will see. But yeah. So after I'm done with my edges, I'm going to fluff my hair with my fingers and my wide tooth comb to try to get more volume and a more uniform look. So now I'm actually going to take this Aloe Rose Hair Milk Day Leave-In Conditioner. This is the product that I use to style my hair. And I'm not going to spray this everywhere. I'm just going to spray it like on my nape. Just 3 sprays on my nape just to, you know, get that a little bit of less friction. And I'm also going to put some right there, hopefully, and up here. just to give the perimeter of my hair just a wee bit of moisture. Now I am about to go and put some clothes in the washer and fold up some towels and do homework, because y'all know we are under quarantine, and you know, I can't go nowhere. So I basically did my hair to stay home, and you know, to stay home. So but this is looking pretty good for day 2 hair. I know y'all see, like, you know, a little bit of places here and there where the curls got really stretched out on the ends, but that's okay, because like I just said, it's only day 2. Now maybe tomorrow or day 4 I will do something with that, but as for right now, it's okay. For the rest of this video will be a voiceover, because I'm going to show y'all how I style my hair, and I probably will wear this for 4 or 5 days. If it lasts longer than 4 days, I'll let y'all know. In the rest of this video will be voiceover, so hope you enjoy the rest of it. Oh wait, let me show you my hair before I just click off. Hopefully y'all was able to see what I was trying to show you. There's only so much movement I can do in my bed, but yeah. Again, the rest of this video will be voiceover, so I hope you enjoy the rest of it.
Okay, y'all, so the rest of this video is going to be like different clips and pictures, because I actually never did come back and like film the rest of the video like I was mentioning. We are in quarantine, so my motivation to do that was pretty darn low. But this clip right here that you see is right after I finished the previous clip. As you can obviously tell, I recorded this for Instagram, and I was just showing y'all, you know, how some curls are stretched out, but my hair overall looked really good. And these are Snapchat clips, and you girl looked pretty darn fine, you know. Love me a nice little filter to make my curls pop and my skin look clear. But this right here was 5th or 6th day hair, and as you can see, my edge was laid, and I did 2 double buns. And right here I'm just showing y'all how I did my makeup for this style. I had did this look purely out of like boredom and, you know, just wanting something to do, because I didn't even film any videos with this look. But this was like a Easter inspired look. I tried to do something very cute with pastels, but I ended up just using orange, and you know, it was still cute. So I'm just letting y'all see how I accomplished that in a very fast, you know, time-lapse video. But after this, as you will see, I'm just going to show y'all some pictures. So once again, this was a 5th or 6th day perm rod set, and I just, you know, split my hair and did a diagonal part. And as you will see in this next picture that's going to pop up, the back part was straight. It was just diagonal up until a certain point, if that makes sense. But you know, this style came out super cute, and I actually loved it. And my makeup came out very bomb as well. I loved the purple inner corner highlight. It just gave it a nice pop. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you all liked and enjoyed this video, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.